All right. So I was going actually to start working, but I thought let's have a quick play on the current state of Crete, even if it's in the single player version. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with some 10 minutes or something like that of gameplay. Let me just put the music off or pause maybe. And desktop audio. Hey Morango, how are you? I saw your work, amazing. You're taking the assets of the. You're gonna participate in the. What is the name? The. Creepity Real? I saw that. So, okay. Maybe the audio is a bit loud. I hope that makes sense. Oh, I see, a world building contest. Oh, okay. Oh, I saw that Epic Games just released or just made free some assets for Halloween and stuff, and I thought was related. Alright. So let's do this. Current state. We are very, very, very close to have the alpha with a full loop of the game. The key things remaining are, like, I can show you, there is a funny Trello with bugs and priorities and stuff, which I think there is no problem on showing this. If I'm not wrong, let me see. Yeah, should be okay. So basically we are just taking all these backlists and also the to-do parts and just playing around with that. There are a couple of things that we need to play around, like the UI for the laboratory, where you can just build your weapons and things like that, but most of the cases is just tiny bugs, like, oh, there is no shadows in this area, we need to check the lighting, nothing quite relevant. A part of we found a bug that after 7 matches for some reason got stuck in the loading screen. I'm not completely sure, that's very hard to reproduce, but if I notice that, you know, the good thing of doing streams is like I can always go back and see, okay, what happened there, something that grabbed my attention, so it's recorded, it's on YouTube, so that's one of the big advantages of doing streams, you know. Then these are minors, like some collisions, problems and stuff. There is one bug that is very hard to fix actually, because I think it's a problem from chaos physics, which is sometimes the physics of the can get not updated and they go to 000. It happens absolutely randomly, not all the time. Sometimes it depends on how much you are ticking, and it's kind of weird. I think it's a problem with physics in general. And beyond that, one thing to do is guiding the players, the first players for this beta, that they don't have a clue of what is going on. So rather than dropping them into a level, at least having a bit of guidance. That's why on the game there is a training part here, which is not yet implemented, but it's one of the things I need to work indeed, implementing that stuff. And then if I go back to Trello, training and guiding is more or less related, and just trying to cover all the corners of keeping in mind that any players can play in the way they want and not always in the way you expect, trying to see and polish all those things, including, for example, rather than buying the weapons when you start the match, basically you create your hunter here, your DNA hunter. Once you select it, then it will go to another screen where you will have a setup of your melee, your range, your finisher, breaker, streamer and tactical, and then you select the combination of the 6. If the biohacks are lower than 10, then you can just build, and that's your build for that game, and it's not gonna change between matches. As long as you want to change it, that's gonna be your initial build for any multiplayer match. So you build here. Right now it's not that, now it happens on the level, but yeah, that's some of the things I need to work with. Apart of that, let's play. Also, I compose the music that you hear in the background once it gets crazy, because I believe it's gonna get crazy. And yeah, of course, a lot of debug on AI and things like that, but that is more like polishing. Here, for example, I don't want to start with global illumination, just in case someone doesn't even want to go here sometimes, so I just rather prefer just to put this off, I think, by default. And if someone wants global illumination, they can just put it manually, I would say. That's kind of better. 1 second. Because now I'm here. Mute. 1 second. Let me test it. Okay. So yeah, let's buy, for example, there are new sorts, like this one. Here I'm gonna go to this one. I'm also starting to balance the DNA points in the beginning and things like that. And you can see now the music starts to play. There is a timer also on the top. Complicated. Oh. Okay, that's good. Okay. That was intense. But I did a lot of collection of DNA, like 84. Oh, I'm fucked. Uf. No me jodas. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. This is bad. This is fucking bad. Oh man. Tómalo, tómalo. I can do this. Tómalo. Oh, I have a DNA. Oh, there we go. I knew it. I knew it. That was bad idea. Okay, one more time. I don't know how much I got, 100 something. I think I got like a lot. I could open the door. I kill a lot of guys, so let me see how much I. 134, 6 blue. Yeah, I could open the door, the blue door. Ah, yeah, now, well, here it's not visible. But there are like easier ways of finding. Vaya. Okay. Let's go without finisher. Joder. Soy imbécil. Uf, ok. We can open this. Nice. We got this. So yeah, that's one of the doors there. Fuck. I don't know if I can go there. Oh, almost. Any case with no exit. Nice. That's the east door, and that's the west door. Or I need to put grass here, I forgot, because this is completely without grass, so I guess I just need to increase the grass generation there. Okay, let's go to the... Nice, nice, nice. For blue. I just need to kill... Oh, actually, yeah, I can go. I'm gonna take this one because I forgot. So yeah, now in the top we can see the time remaining. At one. Five. I mean, I think I can do this actually. I think it's 100. I think it's 200 of normal base DNA. Nice. Oh shit. I don't wanna risk. I don't wanna risk. If he's stupid, it's his problem, not mine. I just need a lot of eggs. Or a lot of enemies. Actually, I think it's balanced the time you need. This one is great. Fuck. I got a lot of other DNAs that No, 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 no. Fucking spam. $147. Me jodas, no me jodas. Mam. I can't do this, man. Joder. Don't see a shit now. I don't want white anymore. I want blue. I don't want blue. I want white ones. These are the eggs. It's getting really dark. Maybe I can open it. Wow. Oh wow, yeah, baby. I didn't know. It was 150 all the time. And that's it. The game is finished. Nothing else. No, it's not yet implemented for the next level, so I don't know. This is a legacy loading level, I believe. 150. I didn't know it was only 150 DNA. I think I could push to 200, to be honest. Oh yeah, I'm in the first level, and the massive rib cage is on my head. So I guess it just loaded to other level. I'm not sure. Yeah, it loaded to other level. It is something weird. I don't know. It's gonna be cool. Once it's done properly. Yeah, I guess there is not even enemies anymore. So yeah. I guess if I get match, this goes here. Yeah, and this works. And if I want to do a new level, Yeah, it works. This is fixed. If I do this and it's gonna crash, I believe. Oh, okay. I need to press that. Oh, okay. Cool, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna have a 1 minute break. I'm gonna start working on real pushing all these packs and fixing menus and a lot of stuff. Just trying to push in for the alpha. See you in 2 minutes. Alright. Yeah, these moments of where you heard the microphone, maybe you heard the fucking toilet instead. Alright. Let's do this. So one of the things I want to work is in the menu. In the main menu. And what I want to do is here, I want just to go to the setup, screen, and I need to think about that, how to do it properly. So let's open first the menu. I think this menu, I don't know why this is not loading properly. I broke something here. The texture looks shit. I don't know why. Here looks alright, I don't understand. Okay. So I want to go here, I want to create a widget selector. So basically, man. Okay, we just switch it. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard. Unless I'm trying to think how to. Oh, fucking stupid me. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Why I can put this inside this? Ah, of course. So let's put this in widget switcher there. Characters. And then we got. This is always a pain in the ass. We got the DNA hunters. Yeah, I see. I mind if I do a canvas here. I put the music a bit lower maybe. If I put this here, I believe everything is gonna get broken. So I got a canvas now. Here, empty. If I put all this here, pain, distraction, suffering, hunger, everything. So what we can do is, yeah, I'm gonna go for another canvas. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna make another canvas here inside, and this canvas is gonna be canvas panel setup basically, which is where the place you're gonna set your characters. So now we got an extra window. We got the DNA hunters there, the progress, and then the setup, but it's gonna be a sub window actually. You can access that from the DNA hunters. So what we want to do here is, I'm gonna put a placeholder. Let me just take. Actually, I don't have any text. I should do a border. Let's add a border here. And inside the border, let's add text. Normal, should be okay. This border is gonna be transparent. No, this is the content. Let's go to the brush. Down here. No. Where I am, let's try to use the head instead. Oh, sorry, I'm stupid. Inside. Now we got the border. This is the content, and this is the brush. In the brush, I want just to make this right now transparent. Oops, let's go there again. Can I lock this here? I would like just to be always there. Anyway. Hold 1 second. Let's try to push this directly. Here in the switcher, I can put this. Here, well, this is another story though. Okay, now yes. Now yes. Okay. So in the text, in the border here, I'm gonna put size to content. I'm gonna hook. I'm gonna put that there so far. I just want to check that this is working, and what I'm gonna put here is like DNA should build. Basically the place where you set your abilities beforehand. So if that works, now what I would do is to go to the graph here and on select we have to do a couple of things. What I would say is I'm gonna remove all this that we don't need anymore. At least not right now. Oh, yeah, that's okay. That was sort of experimentation of how to send data from client to server, which is dangerous, of course, but it was needed for saving files and playing multiplayer. Similar to Elden Ring or similar to Valheim, I'm not sure if you can do that. Yeah, it depends. Okay, so now that we are here, what we want to do is maybe to do a delay. They will both join here, and let's put a delay of 2 seconds. And now in the switcher, which is named widget switcher, I should name this differently. Top menu switcher, so it's easier to identify. So in the top menu switcher, index set after widget index, and I think the number is gonna be now, let's check, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go to 5, meaning that after I put the delay because it's gonna be an animation of loading and unloading and stuff like that. I'm not sure actually if with the switchers you can have a transition or like animation or something. I guess no, right? Actually, this one looks like you could have. Let me see, 1 second. Oh yeah, you can fade in, fade out with this one. That's kind of interesting. I don't know not for this one, maybe not for this setup, but it's good to have that there. You can fade out, fade in, doing animations between different windows and things like that. Okay. So now, so now if I just do that, in theory now, when I select the character, okay, now the problem is, well, okay, yeah, imagine that I'm playing, blah, blah, and I start here, in the moment I select the character, 2 seconds, and goes there. And here is where you should set up your character with the different abilities and stuff. So this is the complicated fucking crazy shit now, because many things. One of them is obviously databases and sending that to the server and organization, and it's gonna be a bit complicated, I believe, but we will go through. So what I'm gonna do first, just to inspire myself, is to check the ability selector I made, which is this one. So basically this one is I just grab data from a data table every single time I open a window. So this is the data table, This is gonna be the fucking chaos here. So let me think. In the way I'm doing this here, I see, it's just with a type ability. So the type ability just filters and fills that with children actors. That is correct. That is correct. The children actor also, I guess, has the information of the ability. That's a lot of data there. So, all right, let's try to use the head here. Definitely this is the table I want, and the row name is all I need, I believe. The row name is all I need. That's the unique identifier, period. So that is good for later on. Right now, for visualizing the data table, I can just copy this. For each round that has something specific, like in this case, I see that I'm checking the row name. Actually, no, I'm checking the row type. So what kind of ability are you? I'm filling that list, which I can definitely use. This casting here, I have my doubts. I'm wondering why I'm casting there. I see why I'm casting there. I'm casting there. Set values ability. Why am I using this? Why am I using the hero? For what? Oh, this is kind of stupid. I really don't need this. Why I did that? It has to be a reason, apart of fucking printing the name. Why I saved the hero there? This is just a row, so how I... Oh, I see why. That's correct. I guess it's because I'm sending... Yeah, I'm sending that in a interface to the hero that selected that. Okay, it could make sense. I think I can do this more elegant now, with more experience. Way different, I would say, because this is a bit overkill. Like casting every time is kind of silly. For each fucking no, it's overkill. So anyway, apart of that, I would go here, and then in the graph, what I want to do, I would do this as a function, but so far let's copy this, let's paste this, sorry. And what we want to do here, we can do this in different ways. We can set this here, or do a different widget, but I'm gonna do it here just for the sake of keeping the things in one place so I can understand better what is going on. So let's create a custom event, and let's call this scrap data table. Good to know that I'm not the only one who wondered what I did before. I know, man, that's the classic one. So stupid. Scrap data from data table. This is gonna be generic. I just want to take the data, check the row name, and then spit out whatever I want here. So in the way I did this is I create an ability row widget with the parent and the owner. The owner, which again, this would work better if I cast in the begin play and you don't need to do this here. I really don't know exactly if there was a strong reason of doing this. This is in general not a good advice. a bit overkill. I mean, I didn't have any hit of performance doing this, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty nice because it's a menu and then boom, you just clean the references. Nothing problematic. It's just not very elegant. A little bit, a little bit of extra reference on memory if you stretch it. Okay, and then this sets the value there to that ability somehow. What is this fucking spam about Putin? Are we becoming crazier here in this fucking world? What the fuck is this, man? Holy shit, man. Oh wow, cool, I pinned the message. Man. Great. Let me just remove the spam. It's incredible. The world is going to hell, man. It's fucking incredible. We are surrounded by crap everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, I'm reporting all the spam. Oh, sorry, man. I think I removed a comment as well. I don't know. I'm in removing mode. Sorry about that. You don't deserve it. The spam deserve it. Just fucking stupid spam, man. And YouTube does do nothing. It's incredible. Alright, done. Okay, so we got this here. And yeah, for each one we need to create this and we need to add a child. Okay, now we go here and we follow this rule. So in the way I would do this, I mean, I could definitely just save everything, but let's make a child. Let me just copy this because I don't want to reconnect everything. Later I decide what is good and what is bad. So we scrap the data. We compare this to, for example, melee, and this will take all the melees, and this will add a child to that scroll box. That's what we'll do now. I don't know if I want to do a scroll box. I would like to do something a bit different, but it's not gonna be easy. Let me see. Is the scroll box can go actually? I was just wondering. Okay, let's put this inside the setup. Okay, it's a canvas. I want it inside the canvas though. It's inside the canvas? Okay, it's inside the canvas. So in terms of the... Oh, I like this. Okay, so I think it's gonna be vertical maybe as well. I don't care about anything of this. Horizontal, yeah, this is like, oh, nice. Horizontal. Okay, I start to like this a bit because I can see all the stuff. So now what I can do in this common hierarchical scroll box, I'm gonna put melee weapons. Yeah, melee weapons, let's call it like that, don't overcomplicate. I guess it's variable, maybe not, to be honest, but let's put it variable. So now melee weapons go here and this go to the target. So if we compile, we save, what we need to do now is to scrap the data once we move to that new menu. here we scrap the data to see what is in the data table, and that should automatically load from the database to our UI. Oh, grid box allowed layering. That's fucking cool, actually. The problem, well, not the problem, is just to keep the things organized. I prefer rather to use different ones, and also I'm not sure. I mean, I need to think about big numbers in terms of how many items I'm gonna have. So for sure, I'm gonna need to scroll at some point. So I'm not completely sure. So if I go now here, select this, nothing happened, and we need to investigate why. So we scrap the data, we go here, we go the array, this row found. I guess melee is a pretty valid name, and add a child to melee weapons. So let's see if this finds something there, or it's just me that I'm blind and I'm missing something silly. Okay, this is working. Oh, it's failing there. Oh no. Okay. I think it's failing here all the time, correct? Because the stupid cast I'm doing there with no reason. That I'm gonna do in a different way now. Most likely, yeah, we'll see. Let me remove this. Yeah, so let's remove this cast, and let's remove this hero, and let's remove this breakpoint now. So let's play a game. Okay, that's the bar, and that's, yeah, okay, so we got it there. Now I'm not gonna change the design of the inside boxes so far, but definitely they are gonna be more like a square, similar, I would say, to Counter-Strike, Valorant. Most of the interfaces you can see there. Actually, I don't like too much Counter-Strike. It's a bit radial, I think, radial menu and bullshit. Actually, this looks like the all. Huh. I see. I guess before you couldn't buy abilities, I guess, and then they changed it. I guess it's a good game design idea, to be honest, to share the money for guns. And also I see a little bit of change in, yeah, icon, a lot of icon design change. It's okay. I understand the kind of grid, armor, sidearm. Okay. Though, yeah, you really, if you're a new player, you really don't know where to start with, I believe, which is okay. It's a e-sport in the very end, right? So people that play this is because it plays a lot. I played. So yeah, what I think is, this is because they only have 3 guns, so that's pretty okay. In our case, we want to have a bit more, maybe even 10 per family, 20 per family. It's like the basic guns, and we have 6 rows. We need, yeah, we're gonna need a space no matter what. So let's see. Hey R3D, how are you? All right, so let's go to the designer, and I believe, yeah, this is basically, and we are gonna start struggle with this crap overall. So okay, so the way I see this is we need a vertical box inside the canvas, and inside this vertical box we are gonna put many of these guys. This is gonna be promising of pain, basically. So I'm gonna remove the text until I know what should I do with all this crap. I'm gonna remove it so far. I need to understand this fucking shit first. There is this thing is one of the most painful things you can ever imagine. It is incredibly painful. So okay, let's say we got here this guy, okay? Okay, what we got now? Let's see what we got, because this thing of doing UIs in Unreal is one of the most annoying things I've never done in my life. Okay, so this loads in this horizontal fashion. So that's a good start. What I would do now if I go, wow, if I go here, is to do the same with the rest of abilities, top to bottom. However, I want to prevent to regret, you know, and I want just to start naming the things properly, I guess. So the vertical box should also have each of these vertical boxes should have another vertical box and inside this vertical box we got, I don't know why I did that. So we got one vertical box, and inside this one we got, come on man, you can't be so stupid. Okay, there we go. And now we put this on the top. Okay, and now this vertical box is gonna have also a border. The border is gonna be right there, and inside this border is gonna be a text which is gonna be there. Holy fuck. Okay, and this border is gonna have the brush as invisible, and the text block is gonna be melee, like so. Alright, what is the current situation? There was a way of loading things temporary, which is in the constructor, and I don't want to use the pre-construct because I'm very afraid of crashes and anger. I don't want to get angry, so I prefer to don't risk that, but I think there was a way, a part of the pre-construct of pre-visualizing items here, but maybe not. Maybe it's just the way I said with the pre-construct. So I don't wanna risk at this moment. We can always risk later. Actually, let me check on Google. I think there was something. Unreal visualize items in a what is this name? In a bullshit. What is the name of this? Scroll box. Nah, fuck it. Let's see what we got. Okay, cool, perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. So we are going correct. So this will be boxes instead. We are moving forward. Actually, I could do radial style, but I don't want to die again with menus yet again. I'm just tired of doing radial shit that is always not aligned. It's painful. I had enough. So if we agree that this is vertical melee box, this border text melee, and here the melee weapon. So we can remove this, and now we are gonna take, I believe, yes, this, and we put this here. Correct. And now range. We are moving forward. Range melee weapon, no. Range vertical range box. We're gonna change the font as well. I'm very obsessed with Open Sans Light. One of the best fonts out there, to be honest. Just trying to avoid the roboto bullshit. Okay, and here we are gonna put range weapons. Now we can go here. We can do this in different ways. We can just go one by one. I think I'm gonna just scrap data from data table. You know what I'm gonna do is to take this and ability family, and that now this is very simple because I'm gonna repeat this process with melee and with range. However, it is true that this needs to switch on type here. And we need to, actually I think there is something cool here that I'm using a lot, and it's basically let's do this one instead. Melee goes there, range goes to hierarchical scroll box. I love that. Just give me the... Okay, cool. Range weapons go there. So we just split in two. And the selection, yeah, go there. I think now we are scrapping the data there. It could work, could not work. We need to test it. So we play. Yeah, there we go. The problem now is what I expected, that is, the items are pretty big. So we need to think about this a bit. First in the designer, and then I'm gonna start changing the items. So I'm gonna select these two guys at the same time. I'm not sure if the size of the items is down here. There is a lot of fucking size everywhere, which annoys me. Where to even start, you know what I mean? What the hell, no? It's like, you kidding me, dude? Sure. I don't want to use the render side because that's something you should avoid. Like the last resort you want to use is that. But at the same time, what the fuck? You know? Size to content. My ball size to content. Size to content if... Let's try this, I'm just curious to see, because... Yeah, this is gonna be... How that is... Yeah, this is a little bit annoying. You definitely don't want to play around with that. There's something like a space or padding. How much? Yeah, but the padding is just... I guess this padding is only for the borders, not the... Oh wow. All right. So we got random transform behavior. No, this is the text. Sorry, my bad. This padding is doing shit. So it's all related actually to the... This is the one. Fucking hell, man. Okay, bar style. Should I try without even a bar at this moment? Because, to be honest, or even fucking horizontal. I'm gonna keep the bar just in case. Wow, this is a lot of fucking crap, man. Okay, this is interesting. Just playing around with shit. It's a scroll, but I'm not interested in a scroll. I'm interested in bar thickness. What the fucking hell, man? It's so full of crap. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So what I think I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna open the window. It's very hot. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. Alright, so back. Let's redesign this. Ability row. Let's make a copy. Ability box. Okay. So we got a horizontal box. So I'm gonna actually Morango. Let's see. Try to use the grid panel. I guess you mean the grid panel, right? I like uniform grid panel actually. What is the difference? Grid panel, a table-like panel that retains the width of every column throughout the table. A panel that evenly divides up available space between all of its children. Both are sexy, but only one can survive. Hey, I'm Maki Duck, how are you? So let's try uniform grid panel. For anyone that is joining now, just to let you know, I'm working in the UI, and this translates into good news because basically are the little big tiny details to launch the alpha to whoever is subscribe or fill either on Steam or the forums. So basically this is one of the menus that is pretty much needed and is the setup and character selection. That works a little bit different of most of the common games out there. In this one, character is so important that you have an entire dedicated menu to build it. If you don't build a character, you can't start even playing. So it's more like a character creator, but happens in the very beginning, always, every time, if you want to. So I'm doing now the menu of the selection of the abilities for your setup. Because right now you can play, but it's annoying to start the match and need to buy once the match started in a kind of shop. So I want to do that in the main menu where you are relaxed, you prepare your setup, and then you go to the fight. Good reference of this is Helldivers, maybe even Quake a bit, where the characters are selected beforehand, not once you do the matchmaking. So that's more or less what I'm after. Again, this is good news because we are heading towards the alpha, which most likely is going to be dropped next week at some point, I believe. So in different rounds, we are going to start with 20, then 30, 40, different versions of the game, so we can do a lot of debug. We also got a bug report, we got a feedback report, we got a lot of tools to see what kind of feedback we can just implement to the game, bugs, anything. And also we will do a dedicated Discord channel for anyone that has the Steam key and can play the game, so they can connect to each other to play together, because it's important to play this in multiplayer, but at the same time it's a cooperative tactical, only 2 players. So sometimes it's, just pop by to Discord channel and just make couples and play together somehow. So yeah, overall good news with that. Now let's use this uniform grid panel. What is this content? A border. Fuck the border. Fuck the border. Exactly. Fuck the wall. Okay. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. Let's put this. Let's put this. And now let's take all this shit and put it inside. Wow, I don't understand a fuck. Let's remove the horizontal box. Okay, I mean, it's a big stretch to say that this patience is the key of a spacer. No. Why this guy? Okay, let's put. Okay, I appreciate that. Now, what should I? But this is not separating the fucking elements. They are all together. Man, what the fuck, dude. Let's take all this, let's delete this. Let's try grid panel. Okay. Breathe. So if I use a horizontal box, I think it's a problem that, yeah, okay, so why on hell the grid? This should work, no? But it just does have. Well, I don't know what you expect from me, man. I'm trying to. It's a child, so why they are overlapped? Why? Why? Joder. Okay, let's see. Layout. Where is it? Oh, actually. Tile view actually is something to consider. Okay. I think canvas is I'm thinking if I should go with a canvas or this one should work, but it's not working. This one should work, but it's not working. Why not? So if I remove this here and I add, I don't know, button. I add a button there. And then I add another button. Why they are overlapping though? Why they are overlapping? But here says not overlapping. Panel that evenly divides up available space. Is this not enough? Oh, I see. I'm not sure about how much. Okay, I'm getting a bit crazy and annoyed by this kind of bullshit. Oh, great, fuck it. Available space. Oh yeah, wow, it's so cool. Fucking piece of crap, man. I'm gonna use traditional. Let's start with a vertical. Vertical box. And we are gonna remove all the stupid spacers. Then let's add a horizontal. Inside this we can put the button of buying. I'm not sure why that is there. Ah no, actually I want a horizontal, then a vertical. The horizontal has two verticals. Then we can put this here. We remove the spacers. Now the bottom. Yeah, I see. Okay, I'm moving forward. Now we got each of these one needs to be also another horizontal inside here, like parameter, I don't care. And then we got biohacks 1, and we repeat this again. DNA cost 0. Then this goes in this other one. I'm struggling to understand. Okay, see. This is actually silly. So ability selection, biohacks, DNA cost. Now the biohacks, here we can put this of course. That was fucking stupid. Using this common bullshit. Can I replace this? Oh yeah. Joder, it's incredible. Okay. Let's go here. Ball. Like so. Hey Morcillo, how are you? Today is a UI. Not the sexiest thing, but needed. Ability selection, biohacks, DNA cost. And that should be the button to select. UI is painful, man. Don't lie to me. Why I got this? I see. So here it would be this. Okay. Horizontal box. There we go. And now we can go to the other menu. No, this menu. We can go here, and now rather than using the ability row, we are gonna use the ability box. It's gonna fail because some fuckery. Most likely, what is your problem exactly? Target. I hear you. Ability cost, ability type, ability level, row name, biohacks. And this looks like it's not needed anymore, and that goes to the trash. We compile, we save everything actually. Always risky. UI crashes a lot in Unreal 5. Okay, at least all is visible, but now it's quite fucking eye pain. Okay, so let's do the following. I'm hating a lot this kind of common UI plugin for stupid colors and shit, because now I want to change. Actually, no, I can't do it. Forget what I said. Everything is great. Biohacks. This is kind of interesting. Can I bind this by its own text? So get I want the text of myself. I want the text of biohacks. Biohacks text. But I don't know if I can. I can. I do. I can. And here we are gonna do I hate this. Select color, man. Select color. Don't push me. Fuck you deeply. All right. To integer. It's a bit of a twist, but okay. So let's say if it's one biohack, that's blue. Two biohacks, that's the yellow. Three biohacks, that's the magenta. Actually, it's not correct, but let's just for the sake of testing. And this is the purple. Is it gonna work? No fucking clue though. But if it works, I usually use selects more than branches, so it's quite visual and easier. But sometimes, depending on the situation, can be. But it works cool. So okay, it's a pain. It's hard to read this shit. Is I want to kill and I want to die at the same time. I'm thinking about different ways of doing this. First of all, this is wrong. 0 won't. So basically, this is the integer plus 1. Actually, minus 1. Now, still really hard to read, but hey, what I can do? Maybe I can saturate them so it has a hint, but not like a painful eye pain. Actually, also make them like this. A bit of darkness helps always. Darkness is your friend sometimes. I'm dying. I can't read I can't read some numbers. I know the solution, but I just don't want to do it. The solution is not using numbers, it's using different like icons. So maybe I should do that fucking shit, man. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. Like basically here, rather than having a number, having different bars. So I should add like a horizontal box just to test it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think there was a way of adding elements like, okay, let's put so let's imagine this. For example, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is cleaner. Now, I'm thinking, is there a way on UI in Unreal to add a child without creating another widget? I don't know right now. I can't remember. Maybe. Biohacks number. Let's put this here. It's variable. I think so, but I don't know. Add child to horizontal box. The content needs to be a widget. Okay, I understand. You are not gonna let me do this nicely. So basically applicability, no. In the ability box, the construct here, we are going to need, we are gonna put this here, this for the horizontal box. Here we are gonna put the add child, and the child, is it this the way of doing this? So anyway, loop n is loop n. It's just loop, no? Fuck. So we are gonna take the number of biohacks, and for each, when completed, let's move there. For each of these, we are gonna create a widget. We don't know the widget yet, but that's gonna be the child. We don't need a. What we can do is to copy one of these guys, create a new widget, user interface, widget blueprint, user widget, biohack box, and then we can paste this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think, I don't know. So let's put that there. Then let's go here. Let's remove these friends. I like them, but it's not your moment. So if I go here, now I can put box, biohack box. So for each biohack, you will do one. This is if you can buy it or not with the DNA. Okay, let's see. Save. Let's play. Nothing. I didn't expect less, to be honest. I can try to do something crazy and disgusting to see if it works. Maybe it crashes, I don't know. Okay, that's remarkable. So the box is biohack's number. Is this even doing something? Oh, all right. What? How? How? How you are bypassing that? What? What are you fucking talking about? How is that even possible? You have to be kidding me. How is that bypass? Of course. Show me. So you are also there, no? I just don't know why. What? Oh, 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 oh. All right. I see. Okay, I see. Okay. For loop. And this shit shouldn't work. I don't know why that is happening. And we are not gonna limit that so far. That's another step. Yeah, it's because this comes from the proper gameplay where. Okay. We got this. Biohack box. I don't care. Just clean your fucking controller. Get the fuck out of there right now. Thank you. Let's do this. Okay, it's working, but it's ugly as sorry, I don't have anything interesting about ugliness, but it's ugly. So I guess it's because we need this. Let me see if I got something like a box or a square or something. Okay, fuck you. Fuck you. Button. No. Myriad, really? Let's see. I got these ones, but actually these are really cool. It could work. Because these ones I use them in other places as well. Okay. Okay. Maybe not. I see. It's the fucking scale, right? So, oh, I see. So there is something there about the scale there. I see. I see the pixel stuff broken there though. It could work, but so are you telling me that actually, oh, 1 second, because Nomi maps, that is correct. I can try again with this button. Okay, different things. First, button, yeah, let's try this one. Second thing, in the ability box, this biohacks number, oh, so I guess if I put here -10 and -10, what will happen? Yeah. That was the problem. The size. Right. Sorry, my bad. I did the same again. Ability biohack box. Oh man, every single time. Okay, 30. I just don't remember. And also just because I'm here, I want to try this downscale. Simple average. Because which one is the default actually? Actually, yeah, there are min maps, but anyway. So there is more distance, but it's because this padding thing. So if I change in the ability box here the padding to -50, -50, what will happen? Do we know? I don't know. It's the same. Okay. I see, so we need to fill that texture. I could do that on Blender, but right now I'm gonna try to take another texture. I can do it even with button or icon. I got some icons, but these are more for, yeah, for gameplay. I just want a stupid, you know, there is another way. Let's put a border. And let's put the brush to 0 and this. Okay, just to check that everything makes sense. I don't know why I'm still struggling with this. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I still struggling with this stupid thing. Where the hell? Border, dude. Okay. Just show me something. So this is a border, so let me see if I change the outline, if I find it. Wait, the border is the one that has outline. No? What? Oh. Fuck. Okay, I'm literally I want to die. I fucking hate UI. It's man. It's so annoying, man. It's so fucking annoying. You can't imagine. Please, sir. I just want to do a fucking border. No, I'm not trying to do something crazy with your beautiful 1000 options. Just want a fucking border. Okay? Can we do this too? What the fuck I'm seeing here? Joder. Why style it? Why style it? Why you make me suffer so much? Border. Image. Now, here, the brush, invisible, image. Oh, there we go. Now, Um, fuck, my brain is exploding. We're closer. I don't know how. And I don't know why the bars start in the side and shit like that. But, okay, because this goes there. Okay, please. I just work. Be my friend. So, I'm assuming this has an impact. This is insane, man. This is insane. So it's the image. Okay, buddy. Do something useful for humanity. Good. I'm assuming the padding now. I mean, I'm assuming many things. I don't know what is correct, what is not, what is the meaning of life, and why we are in this planet. Is my work? And yes, please, can you now just go to the fucking right instead? Joder, I want to kill myself, really. What the fuck is this crap? What the fuck is this crap? What do you want me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Whoever designed the widget and this is a psychopath. Like someone that has little love for humanity in general. Fucking hell, dude. What? Why now this goes center there? What the fuck are you talking about? With all the deserved respect, what the fuck are you talking about? What is this shit? And where the hell I am? I just lost the track of everything. Ability box. Okay, forget what I said. I'm fucking retarded. That's it. I put. Why is there? Oh, because I'm fucking stupid. Okay, forget all I said. Everyone is beautiful. Humanity is great. Alright. There we go. Now we can tune this a bit more. Yeah, man, that was insane. Let's hide this, and let's also visibility. Let's collapse. So now this guy goes there. we can now maybe, I'm very scared about doing anything now with this fuckery. Okay. Yeah, basically we need to remove one in the loop. So in the ability box, we do this. Let's keep doing this. I'm thinking about I think about different things. So this is one thing. The other, I'm gonna make a variable, and this variable is gonna be a color linear and now no, I'm stupid. This is gonna be integer, and this is gonna be the index, and this is gonna be exposed, and it's gonna be editable. So now if I go here, if I refresh this, I have the index, and the index means the index. So we now can go to the designer, go to the box, and in the designer of the box, here we got a tint color. We can, we have a brush here. It's cool, it's better, it's more exciting. We can bind this index. Here we can select, again, same fucking stupid problem than before. And we make 4 colors. So we can do a gradient. Like from, I would say from blue to red. I have this problem that I need a gradient to do this properly, because otherwise something like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, see you, man, Morcio. Thank you for coming. Alright, it's working. It's working. a lot of work. So now I want just to tweak a bit this shit, to be honest. Still very let's try that. Yeah, that's cool. And now what I can do is to go here and in the ability selector box, here we can put a spacer. Yeah, something like that should work. Okay, and this, let's change this shit. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. And this definitely needs an icon, but I won't do this yet. Okay, so now if I go to here in the menu, I got this thing, so now I can just do the same for every one of them. We add vertical, and here we add breakers. We paste another one, we put it here. That's gonna be finishers. We copy, we paste. This is gonna be, it's gonna be my mother. This is gonna be tacticals, and the last one, these are gonna be streamers. All right. So we got all these together. Vertical, vertical, ta-ta-ta. We are gonna start naming them. These are for the breakers. These are for the finishers. These are for the tacticals. And these for the streamers. The final step is going here. Let's take, let's connect them. Breaker, finisher, tactical, I'm a streamer. And now we connect the content. We don't need to go one by one, we can just do this. And in the variables we have the breaker, breaker, mi cago en mi puta calavera. Of course, now this is actually not here, is here, right? Okay, this is breakers. Breaker bar, finisher bar, tactical bar, and streamer bar. Now yes, streamer bar goes there, tactical bar there. This is finisher bar there, and the breaker goes there. There we go. By the way, the music on the background is from CRETE, and I made it. Now also I'm fucking doing music. Just to complicate my life a bit more, sound design and music design, why not? Okay, so now of course, yeah. And this is basically because because I'm not calling to this melee range breaker finisher melee finisher tactical streamer. That should scrap all the data. It does. It's just very empty. I'm just thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna have a break and then push this a bit more and clean it up and make it fancy and sexy, because now it looks horrible. But yeah, let's man, I've seen so many bad things. Alright, see you in a bit. All right. So we need to clean this up a bit. Also, I'm seeing different things that is making me blind. Like not aligned text and horrible shit. We need to make sure that everything works as expected. So let's go to the box here. Yeah, like what the fuck is this, you know? Why so, okay. Padding. No man, no, fuck, no. No padding. Why now this one? Dude, what the fuck? Okay. All right, let's see. He wants a horizontal box, right? Because the horizontal box makes a border. No worries. That's your oh, hey, what the fuck? Okay, so I guess the problem is here. I see. And this I would like to cut this and to put here an overlay, most likely. And in this overlay, I would like to put an image, and this image I don't know, I'm just playing around. I just trying to understand better how this shit work, you know, in general. So if I put this here, and now when I change this, what the fuck I'm changing? I don't see any logic or something changing here. Like, I scale this shit and now, oh my god, this is fucking insane, man. So what is the logic of this? So if I go now to set, oh wow, okay. For example, this, no? I'm just, I don't know, confused sometimes about all this crap, to be honest. If I do this, just for example, okay. So if I remove the image, what do we got? So what is the relationship then? Why? It's arbitrary. It's like, what the fuck, man? Okay, so let's remove this and let's put a border. And in the border, put this out as well. And now, I just want to put this with a different shade and color. Let's see how we got. Okay, this could be interesting. The question is, can I make this border, for example, larger? Apparently not. Apparently not. Why? Why not? What is the... So if I put this... Yeah, man, I mean... Why this border is not respect? All right. I didn't expect this. Yeah, it's annoying that I can't find anything to define. Hey, don't fit that to the size of the elements inside, but just respect yourself, man. Show some respect to yourself. How you want to be respected if you don't respect yourself first? It's a matter of fact. It doesn't make sense, dude. I can try to use a canvas. But I don't like canvas for this case. But maybe, I don't know, maybe I should. Who the fuck knows at this point, right? So Canvas has this thing of size to content, but I don't want to use that. I want to say, hey, this is your size. Respect yourself. Okay, there we go. Now, why is he? Oh, I see. This might work, this might work. So, if that is the case, a beautiful border inside the canvas. Or actually a border, a canvas inside a border. What about that? Huh? That's hot. Because the border is just respecting the canvas. So, or maybe not. Maybe not. We don't know. We don't know. Let's don't celebrate shit. I know what is this border about here. Let's imagine this. Let's don't be pessimistic and let's see if this is the solution. Yep. Of course, everything looks shit, but at least we are moving forward towards something. Plus, here, all this shit we got here. Okay. I see. Yeah, let's try that. I don't like too much. Also, all this text way smaller. This could start working. I see a lot of unused UI space. But hey, we are getting closer. So this border, it could have an image instead. Maybe not that. That's fucking mid-journey bullshit. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, I'm trying to find something temporal. Oh yeah, these are cool. Oh wow, I forgot this is a shader. That's fucking cool. I think it's gonna die in terms of performance. I can't test, but if that works, could be fucking cool because I can tint depending on the family of the ability. I had a feeling it's gonna be a performance hit. Oh wow. It runs pretty nicely actually. So this is cool because here is where I can yeah, that's cool. I like it. I think though this needs to be here. Here we will need yeah. I just would like to respect the space all the time, because if I do this, I guess now the arrow is gonna match, but the rest is not. Which is okay, maybe. I'm thinking, eh? They need a bit of separation. So that comes, I guess, in the border, right? There was no here like a border inside the border outline. I thought there was something here. Again, I did this before, but now no, this should be there. Oh, dangerous. Oh. Yeah, that's tiling. No tiling. This. Outline with alpha 1. I don't see a shit. Oh, the corner radius. I don't know. I don't know. Rounded box. I got you. Now, corner radius. Fixed radius. Where's the fixed radius, you motherfucker? What are you talking about? Where are you? Outline. Here I am, trying to unlock the fucking mystery of UI. Fuck. Hostia puta, tío. Es flipante esto. Where is the fucking border? Okay. I see. Great. Can't you now? Oh, I see. That's a border. I guess. Shitty border. Very odd. I really don't get exactly the purpose of this. Okay, and at least I know this is doing something. Wow, yeah, I'm just freaking out, man. It's incredible how convoluted is this system. It's incredible. It's like the less intuitive thing I can imagine, man. This is like middle age to me right now. I'm just fighting. Hey, Ruben, how are you? I'm just fighting against the impossible. This can't be more convoluted. It's incredible. It's like what? It's like. Oh my god, no. But at the same time, this is taking. This is. Holy fuck. Okay, inside the border. Yeah, and yeah, abilities and pain and UI. The worst nightmare in Unreal. Okay, let's make up. I just don't want to come. The border instead of border maybe, but okay. That worked actually. exactly. Okay. Alright. Ability selection, biohacks, DNA cost. Oh, great. It's so fucking random. So fucking random. Yeah, let's imagine a big Y. Yes, Y. Oh, I see. Okay. So, border again. And then image again. Or scale box maybe. Oh, no. Let's see this. And let's put here the icon. Ouch. Okay, I see the icon, but no. Let's say, actually, let me copy this or cut. Let's say size box, and we put it here. Pero, why? Just why? All right. Let's see. Okay. That's working. And yes, indeed, of course, now this has like to optimize the space now. All right, I got it. It's gonna be hard. Not that simple, not that simple. Can try there. Yeah, then we got this other problem here. So this border can this have? Oh, that was dangerous. Yeah, but the padding is not exactly what we want. That's more in the separation between the different childs here. Actually here. Hey Ruben, sorry, I was... Yeah, that's cool. Again, I'm super on top of many things. I can't just, but yeah, maybe next year I can just start preparing things with having more time. I need to keep up with many things, and just also starting a couple of gigs for some prototypes and other work, so I'm a bit overloaded. Yeah, I don't see a way of making here the borders, the padding, but that should maybe works at least. There's no space there. There's no space there. Why not? That's odd. Oh, I see. Everything matters. Ah. That's good to know, actually. How can I do this? This little space. I could do everything smaller, but I don't know if people is gonna complain about the small text. I can do one extra. Let's put 12 here and 12 here. No, it's the border. What? No, stop there. This extra border there is weird. Why is it still happening? Okay, I see some redundancy. I could actually change, I'm thinking, the hexagon, that is the icon, can be the button. That can be the button actually. What if all is a button itself? All together. So and this means here well, this means here a bit of, again, love. Because this padding, I don't know what the fuck is going on again here with some. No, I don't want any border. I'm wondering what the fuck I'm doing there. It could actually work. It could actually work. Still wondering what is this border doing here? Oh, I see. This motherfucker was actually screwing me. If I'm not wrong. I don't know, I have a fucking mess now of what is the dependency of every border. Yeah, that could actually work. There is enough separation between the elements. We need to be thinking about this, for sure. But it's moving forward. It's taking time, man. So this border, where this border comes from now? Outline width. Corner radius. Why there's a corner radius? Why? Why these things are like this by default, man? I just sometimes don't know exactly what should I expect from press padding. Normal padding, there we go. It's not the one? Pero qué coño dices, tío? What the fuck are you saying? How many paddings we got? Okay, so border, outline, maybe it's image size. I don't know. But what I can do is to take this grab, remove the button, and I can make this border visible. What is the name? Border. Okay, cool name. Super smart. Button border, and it's completely fucking variable. Of course it is. I'm still wondering though. When I just reset this, complete this, what happens if I play this now? Okay. Okay. So the question is. What a fucking. So why it says is able to interact? It's not able to interact. No, it's not able to interact. Why? Canvas? Can canvas interact? No, of course not. So why? Yes. Beautiful crash. I deserve it. Fucking hell. Incredible, man. Merci. If I find some fucking border bottom padding and real, because yeah, it's a lot of work there to make these things work properly. Okay. Let's see what is the current situation. That's scary. Could be worse. Nothing to be worried about. I hope. Okay, it's this kind of. So this canvas panel actually is misleading, I think, because it doesn't matter too much. What really matters is this horizontal box. That's where the real source is. and this other thing this can go there. So this should be as I had just before. More or less. I think the text is again big. Of course it is. Okay, we got this there. We can now move this right there. We can put this here and here. We can put this here. I believe this is not going to be needed very soon, but I can also make it smaller. So I can move this even more. Let's remove the grid. A bit tight, but I think it will be okay. Yeah, we can. Okay, fuck this shit. I expected that. I'm thinking how to do this. I have different options. I think I can do this, and this means that it's not gonna be hit decibel. Okay, that's cool. And now what I can do is to add a button. But this button gonna be there. I'm wondering. He doesn't care. Okay, we do it manually. Alpha. Actually, this could be as simple as this needs to be invisible in all the options. Zero. Oh, actually, I like this because we can make a bit of an outline but it's a shame because why is this is a titanic task. It's fucking not. I think I'm gonna switch off and I will go back tomorrow, most likely with the menu more advanced and work more in the final touches for the alpha. But yeah, apart of that, let's push it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful night or morning or evening.